Hey, we just made it down from the big hill there, and we came down this little prairie trail. We're now on the other side of the prairie where we first shot the very first video. It's December the 29th. There's some brains, or I think people call it spider wart or something. The deer eat them in the winter when they get hungry. It's an old fence row right there with all these trees lined up all the way down there. There's a old fence there, plus the trees grew up along it. So we're now over next to the river. There's Roxy. This is the also the power lines here that run through the river and valley here. So it's kind of pretty. It's December the 29th. See if I can get over to the river without falling down here as I'm trying to walk and see everything at the same time. So it's a little foggy out. A little light mist. Just 3 or 4 days till New Year's. So it's still 2021. This is part of our hiking series that we do every year. We try to hit as many parks as we can. Total after about 5 to 1,500 miles. Depends on how everything goes. It rained yesterday pretty hard, and it's been kind of wet over the winter season so far in fall. So there's the river, as I said. This is the little Miami. Kind of a straight section through here. Don't find many of them. Usually it twists and turns a lot, so it goes way up there about almost 1/8 of a mile, and then goes down there. Roxy may be going for a swim. She's down there in the water. She's gotten down. I don't know if she can get back up or not. She can't get turned around. There she goes. She went down to get a drink, so she loves it out here. So earlier we come down here about a month ago, and there's an island there. You can just barely see it, but the water's all over it. We walked around the corner there. So there's a little artificial reef. There's a house over there. I'll see a little cottage. I'll see if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, the new feature. So, let's see. I gotta find it myself. There it is. So it's across the river there. You can. I guess I can go to 9 times. Yeah, that's hard. That's 9 times zoom. So that's across the river. There's a little getaway cabin somebody built out here. So it's over there. And also somebody hung a bunch of bottles and cans, I guess they found. So that's what it is in the trees over there. It wasn't flooded. There's just somebody over on the other side hung all this stuff in the bushes for some reason. Don't know why, but they put a little bit of effort in that. So we're out here. We've hit most of the trails, heading back towards the prairie, and then back to the truck. We might do one more short loop through the center. You can kind of, if you can hear the water, I'll be quiet there and see if you can hear it. It's real peaceful sounding. Well, that's it from Terry and Roxy, December the 29th, 2021, down at the Little Miami River. Thanks for watching.